Hi. So if you're using the HubSpot plus WhatsApp integration, here's how you can track or monitor your and your team's WhatsApp activities on HubSpot. We'll specifically look at how you can track the last time you sent a WhatsApp message to a contact on HubSpot. So to capture this data point, we'll be using a custom HubSpot property and HubSpot workflows to set the automatic capture. How this will be useful to you is, for example, you want to find all the contacts who you haven't sent a WhatsApp message to in the past 20 or say 30 days. You'll be able to track that with this particular metric or property. So we'll first create a custom HubSpot property. Head over to settings on your HubSpot account, and in your settings you'll go to data management properties. Here we'll create a custom contact property which will be a date picker. So let's give it a label and we'll set a group as contact information. The field type will be a date picker, and it's up to you if you want to show it in forms or not. So now we have created this property, and we'll now create a HubSpot workflow to capture the last date or the last time you sent a WhatsApp message to a particular contact. So head over to workflows in your HubSpot account and create a workflow from scratch. Be a contact based workflow. Now in enrollment triggers, you will select the option HubSpot plus WhatsApp message sent, and you will set it as known. Go to re-enrollment and allow re-enrollment. So this will ensure that every time you send a WhatsApp message to a contact, the contact gets enrolled in this workflow. Now in actions, we will select the option set property value. So the property last contacted on WhatsApp date was a contact property that we just created. So we'll select contact and find the property we created, last contacted on WhatsApp. And here we'll select date of step. So that means whichever date this action happens on, that date will be set as the property for the last contact date. And that's it. We can now just turn on the workflow. And as you can see, there are existing contacts to whom the WhatsApp message sent is known. So we will set it as no, which means only contacts who will meet the enrollment criteria henceforth will be enrolled in the workflow, and the date property will be set only for those contacts. So let's do a quick test to see how the workflow works. So I'll send a WhatsApp message to this particular contact. So I just sent a WhatsApp message to this contact, and so if I now check the last contacted on WhatsApp date property for this contact, it should say today. So to check that, I will go to view all properties and I will search for that contact property. So as you can see, last contacted on WhatsApp date is today's date. So similarly for all other contacts henceforth, the workflow will keep setting the property value to the last time or the last date when the WhatsApp message was sent to a particular contact. So that's all for now. To see more use cases and more tutorials, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.